Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr.
yes
Chair,
or
tinatanong
no?
ko lang naman.
Point of
Session
order.
suspended.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, again, i-reiterate ko lang, Mr. Chair, yung reminders no, na hindi magsabi ng pagmura, siguro, kasi sanay po yung nakaraan, kahit po sa Senate hearing, may mga ganun. Ano? Respeto naman sa atin dito, and sana po concise sa pagsagot, kung ano lang ang tanong, yun din lang ang sagot, at mag-defer ng i-defer ang mahahabang explanation kasi nakikita nyo naman, Mr. Chair, madami talagang gustong magtanong ngayon eh. Kaya sana po ganun yung ano, no? And simple lang naman po yung mga tanong ko. It has to do with the, kung ano din yung mga sinabi ng dating Pangulo doon sa Senate hearing. Yon, Mr. Chair. First, yung observe decorum. Tapos, syempre, tulad po ng sinabi ni Chairman Abante, hindi po tayo mangingimi na mag-point of order kapag nilabag po itong mga ito. Yon. Now, Mr. Chair, I would like to direct my questions, Mr. Chair, to Rodrigo Duterte. Mr. Chair, noong October 28, sinabi ni dating Pangulong Duterte, under oath, sa harap ng Senado, and I quote, I and I alone take full legal responsibility sa lahat na nagawa ng mga pulis. Pursuant to my order, ako ang managot. At ako ang makulong, wag yung pulis na sumunod sa order ko. Ang tanong natin, Mr. Chair, the families of innocent extrajudicial killing victims are present. Yun po yung pinagsalita nyo kanina. So can the former president look them in the eyes and say once more that he takes full legal responsibility for the deaths of their loved ones, Mr. Chair?
Mr. President, can you,
What's the question?
what is the question? Can you repeat the question?
Mr. Chair, sinabi niya po na full responsibility. So, Mr. Chair, totoo ba yan?
Correct. Very correct. Since I was a president, and there was this, until now, serious problem about drugs, I had to issue or make a policy statement about drugs. At all that happened, yung nangyari pursuant to my order to stop the drug problem in this country, akin yun. Akin na akin yun. Ako ang nagbigay ng order kasi ginawa nila illegal or legal, akin yun.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
I take full responsibility for it.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yun po yung tanong ko. Yung families of innocent extrajudicial killings, kayo din.
File the case in court.
Mr.
Walang
Chair.
problema. Nandiyan ang korte.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Second question ko. Responsable kayo kasi polisiya nyo yon. Kumbaga, tatak Duterte. Dahil polisiya nyo rin yan, tama ba? Sa Davao, nung nasa Davao pa kayo. Tama ba na tawagin po itong Davao model or Davao style, Mr. Chair?
I cannot control the semantics.
Mr. Chair, yes
of
or
the
no?
metaphor.
Davao style.
Do not ask me to answer yes or no. You are not an investigator.
Mr. Chair, tayo po ay nasa investigasyon kasalukuyan,
Yes,
Mr.
but you
Chair.
are not an investigator. Why are you asking me to answer
Mr.
yes
Chair,
or no?
tinatanong ko lang naman.
Point of
Session
order.
suspended.